They're just on another level. Everybody is super buttoned up and everybody is super friendly and everybody is treated with the utmost respect. No matter where you're at on the totem pole, it's like one big happy family. My name is Billy Busch Jr., and I am the owner of this property in Malibu. I chose Malibu Nursery and Landscaping because I was just super impressed with how fast Randy got back to me and just the great vibes he gave me. He was super responsive and just such a great guy and answered all of my questions super fast. I have a lot of business instilled in me because of my great grandfather, August Busch Jr. He was the president and CEO of Anheuser breweries. My granddad was really big about everybody being super buttoned up and super professional. The biggest thing that stood out to me from a business standpoint with Malibu Nursery and Landscaping is just how professional they are. They're just on another level. Everybody is super buttoned up and everybody is super friendly and everybody is treated with the utmost respect. No matter where you're at on the totem pole, it's like one big happy family. So some of the main goals for the property and the landscaping is a tropical theme with a lot of vibrant colors and a lot of citrus trees, a lot of trees that I can use, such as a mandarin tree. I have an avocado tree. I have a peach tree. I have a lemon tree, a key lime. I even have some blueberries down here. I have some grapes back there. So I have a lot of incredible usable trees out here.